by entry number 7, Lovely YC. It's Lovely YC in the lead, followed by Moon Laser in second, and running in third by 2.5 lengths is Diamond Wonder. Entry number 2, Exciting Gal. Moving up on the outside, Windy Star. She's gorgeous and simply elegant. And at the mid-back stretch, the lead is taken over now by entry number 1, Moon Laser. Lovely YC running in second. Moving up now is entry number 3, Diamond Wonder, and Exciting Girl, Windy Star closing in. And at the last bend for home, it is still entry number 1, Moon Laser, leading the field, followed by Diamond Wonder in second. And moving up on the outside is Windy Star. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Moon Laser in the lead, followed by Diamond Wonder. Moving up on the inside, and Windy Star on the farther outside. It's Moon Laser in the lead, followed by Diamond Wonder by the lane. And here comes Windy Star moving up on the outside. It's now Windy Star on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, the horse of Mr. Eric Abelino, Windy Star, followed by entry number 3, Diamond Wonder, Moon Laser.
Okay, 5-3-1 to order of arrival dito sa race 8. Windy Star.